Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: the game, a save file, and an online connection. Once done, link your Nintendo account so Mystery Gift works. This is the delivery channel. Next, boot Legends, Arceus, and load your save, then pause to check your Hall of Forms and party space so there's room. Make sure your software is updated. System and game updates can block distribution. Now head to the in-game menu and prepare to access Mystery Gift immediately. You'll choose Mystery Gift from the in-game menu, then pick Get with Internet. This contacts Nintendo's distribution server. Once the server responds, accept the Manaphy gift and allow the game to download the received Pokémon. Do not turn off the console. After download, the game will prompt you to save. Save immediately so the Manaphy is recorded to your haul. If the gift includes an egg or event item, open your party or item bag to verify delivery before continuing. Finish by placing Manaphy where you want it, party or storage, and hatch any egg by walking while in-game if required. If you don't see the gift, first relaunch Legends, Arceus, and re-attempt Mystery Gift, then verify your Nintendo account, connection quality, and that the event window is active. If issues persist, restore from a recent save backup, confirm system and game updates are installed, and contact Nintendo support with your transaction details. Keep calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.